not as small as around here, but spent a good bit of my life, still to this day, in a little place called Start, Louisiana, Rayburn, Monroe, West Monroe, and I got to record this song, and it made me think of all the times I had in Start and Rayburn, and also in Franklin. And I go to school at LSU, go Tigers, by the way. And, cool thing, I get to play the Rose Bowl this year, which is awesome. I get to represent the state of Louisiana for the Rose Bowl, so that's going to be super fun. But this song made me think of home when I was missing it the most in college. So I recorded it, and I hope y'all like it too. If I can remember the words. I'm just kidding. Hammer on the nails up on out back. Midnight train rolling by on the tracks. Front porch rocking chair, cold can crash. The wind chimes and breeze. Gravel crunching under 4-1 tires. Iron wood crackling on a bonfire. Push calling over push and wire. Every day of the week. Ain't nothing that sweet as the sounds of a small town like static on radio. The roar of a home crowd, Friday night go tingle. The sun comes up, got a rooster crow, ain't quitting town, comes out a whistle, and it all adds up, one big song. Everybody hears us singing along to the sounds of a small town. It's a door unlocked, come on in. Then folks talk out your mom and them. The evening news on in the den. Not yelling this time for supper. He's saying he'll have him another. Them sounds of a small town like static on radio. The roar of a home crowd, Friday night go tingle. The sun comes up, got a rooster crow, and quitting time comes out a whistle.